Carstensen, Norway.
From Norway.
Schau mal den Pass von dem Pferd.
22?
Ich hätte gerne den Pass von dem.
So now we see those 22 trotting.
Baltimoor, 120 kilomeetrit Eesti, 75. naeratus.
Horse number 6.
Winner of the competition. Virge naeratuse video läheb Dubaisse. Kaheksa.
Horse from yesterday, 120 kilometers, seniors. In the meanwhile, I might just remind you to bring back the numbers on the time cards and you will get the passport. Because we stopped giving out passports. So, thank you. This was
This is before the award giving ceremony.
Really huge. I didn't recognize. And it was so full that wall of beauties had been so thin.
high go start here that everybody knows where to line up the horses.
Nico, please say to everybody that your grooms must be nearby. You need to take.
And please make sure that some crew is here for every horse, because we will get so many prizes and we
Come
need
on.
some
By the way-
crews from every rider at the prize giving.
Grooms are nearby. Grooms nearby to help you. Take your grooms together with you to help you.
Prize giving, last and final program here at the CI Ride in Estonia. And we start with the prize giving now and ask the president of the event for some words in advance.
In the name of organizers, I would like to ask winners for prize giving ceremony to CIA 1 and 2 stars endurance riding competition, sponsored by Ali Muhammad Al Mohairi, Haanjamaa 2010. It was very big honor to organize competition in this level. We thank President of Crown Jury Alexandra Andreevski, Foreign Judge Kaia Borov, Finland, President of Veterinary Commission Andrei Bereznovsky, Poland, Foreign Veterinary Nikolai Yagupov from Russia. We have special thanks to our sponsor Mr. Ali Muhammad Al Mohairi, Havens, travel agency Matkapunkt, Estonian Endurance Club. Thanks to Ruila Stable, Haanjamaa, Rõuge, Sporting Center of Kurgjärve, Haanja Matkad, Haanja Suusaklubi, and National Park of Haanja. And now is starting prize giving ceremony of Haanjamaa 2010.
So we start with the first competition we want to give the prizes to. The competition number 4, it's a CI Juniors Ride, over 80 kilometers. It was quite successful, 2 riders in the finish. And second, from Estonia, Marilyn Usna with the horse Nero. Her time, 6 hours, 10 minutes, 36 seconds. Her average speed is 12.952 kilometers per hour. and we would ask to come forward to get the prize for the second place in the International Juniors Ride 80 kilometers. Congratulations. Second, the horse Nero, ridden by Marilyn Usna from Estonia. Prizes are given by President of Grand Jury and President of the event, Lena, who always helped here throughout the competition. Congratulations, please stay here. And the winner is from Lithuania, Eva Lapikite with Sultanas, 5
Thank
hours,
you.
53 minutes, 58 seconds. Her average speed on that competition is 13.561 kilometers per hour. Congratulations to the winning horse and the rider, Eva Lapikite from Lithuania. And for the winner, we play the national anthem of Lithuania. Congratulations, winning horse, winners from Lithuania and Estonia and the CI One Stars Juniors Ride. Next prize giving is competition number 3, a CI One Stars Endurance Ride, 80 kilometers seniors. And here we have 7 riders in the finish and please come forward. Yesterday, although it was very hot, we had a super completion rate. We only had to stop 3 horses out of 23, so it's a little bit more than 10%. So we have got almost everybody here at the prize giving, and 7th from Sweden, Gun Carlsen with Billy Idol. 6th from Poland, Beata Slengier Jagiel with the horse Farah Sindar from Poland, 6 hours, 11 minutes, 26 seconds, and average speed of 12.917 kilometers per hour. The rosette is given by the President of the Commission, Agnieszka from Russia. All the riders get prizes and diplomas, so please make sure the crew is ready. 5th, from Estonia, Sire Kilits, the horse Fondagiro, Estonia, 6 hours, 10 minutes, 22 seconds, an average speed of 12.960 kilometers per hour. Fourth, from Estonia, Katrin Leaf, the horse Byron. 5 hours, 54 minutes, 26 seconds, a speed of 13.543 kilometers per hour. And although the track was not easy yesterday, most of the riders made it to the finish. Now to the podium. Third place goes to Lithuania. It's Ugne Maitikert with the horse Sirena. 5 hours, 27 minutes, 40 seconds. An average speed of 14.649 kilometers per hour. And the difference to the winner is only 8 minutes over 80 kilometers. Got beautiful prizes from our sponsors from the UAE. So this is the third place for Lithuania. A second goes to Finland. It's Kari Kekkonen with the horse Seljanka. 5 hours, 25 minutes, 45 seconds. It's an average speed of 14.735 kilometers per hour. Unfortunately, he had to go home yesterday because he booked the boat back to Finland. And they got a long trip home, so the prize will be taken. The Finnish team leader for Kari Kekkonen for the horse Seljanka from Finland. And the winner in this 80 kilometers race here in Estonia comes from Norway. It's Olaug Espelid Carstensen, the horse Altaka Melendard, Norway. 5 hours, 19 minutes, 17 seconds, an average speed of 15.034 kilometers per hour. Congratulations to the winner from Norway. As you can see, beautiful prizes from our sponsor. For the winner, Olaug Espelid Carstensen from Norway.
Thank you. Thank you. So very proud.
To start to the sun.
Now we'll play. Congratulations again, winning horse from Norway. That was the 80 kilometers seniors ride here in Estonia. Thank you. Kari Kalbre with the horse Baltimore. 7 hours, 50 minutes, 7 seconds. 15.315 kilometers per hour. The winner for Estonia, Baltimore. And please wait here for the winning horse will play the national anthem of Estonia. Congratulations. Her time 8 hours, 38 minutes, 23 seconds. Average speed of 13.889 kilometers per hour. And third, also Estonia, Hego Rothler, the horse Virus, 8 hours, 38 minutes, 22 seconds, 13.890 kilometers per hour. Anna, please stay here. And many thanks again to both of them, because I think it's not easy to be part of this organization and to organize the ride and take part. And so it have to be long days for both of them to organize this competition for us and take part. Second,
You're
John Finland,
organizer of the
Tanya
competition.
Lampinen, the horse El Sakram, 7 hours, 25 minutes, 16 seconds on average. Speed of 16.1.